Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into ADP. ADP, or Automatic Data Processing Inc., is an American provider of human resource management software and services. The ADP offers industry-leading online payroll and HR solutions, plus tax, compliance, benefit administration, and much more to its employees. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into ADP, go and click open any web browser. In the search box, type in www.adp.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of ADP. Now, in order to log in, go and click on the login button at the upper right corner from the home page. There are two categories listed under user logins. You can either go and log into one of your designation, or you can find categories from common logins. For example, there are login links for employees, administrators, and accountants. Choose your login type and click on it. Type in the login button. On the next page, go ahead and enter your user ID. Once you type in a user ID, you can choose to remember your user ID by the side so that you won't have to log in again and again. If you are using a public or a shared device, make sure not to check this box. In case you've forgotten your user ID, click on Forgot Your User ID and follow the instructions to look for it. Finally, after entering your user ID, you can click on the next button and a password text field will appear. Type in your password in the text box. Double check your password before moving on. In case you don't remember your password, you can again go and click on this Forgot Your Password link at the bottom, right below the sign-in box. Follow the instruction in order to reset to a new password. Once you type in all the credentials needed, click on Sign In and log into your ADP account in no time. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.